Master any skill faster than ever. In our fast-paced world, mastering new skills quickly is essential for staying competitive and relevant. Whether for personal growth or career advancement, the ability to learn efficiently can open doors to countless opportunities and foster a lifelong love of learning. The first step in skill acquisition is defining your goal. Clearly identifying the skill you want to learn and understanding your motivation will provide the focus needed to guide your journey. A clear purpose helps maintain motivation and direction throughout the learning process. Once your goal is set, gather as much information as possible about the skill. Explore books, articles, online resources, and videos to gain a comprehensive understanding. This research phase lays the foundation for a more structured and informed approach to learning. Breaking down the skill into smaller, manageable parts makes the process less overwhelming. By focusing on individual components, you can systematically address each aspect and build a solid understanding. This approach ensures steady progress and prevents frustration. Develop a step-by-step learning plan to stay organized and focused. A structured schedule helps allocate time effectively, enabling consistent practice and gradual improvement. Having a plan in place keeps you accountable and ensures you remain on track toward your goal. Creating a plan is crucial to mastering a new skill. Start by mapping out a detailed schedule that outlines each step of your learning journey. This structured approach helps maintain focus and ensures that no essential component is overlooked. Setting a timeline establishes a sense of urgency and keeps you on track. Choose a realistic deadline for achieving competence in your chosen skill, allowing enough time for practice and reflection. A well-defined timeline promotes discipline and commitment. Prioritizing practice is key to skill mastery. Dedicate time each day to engage in deliberate practice, focusing on quality rather than quantity. Consistent effort leads to gradual improvement, turning practice into an integral part of your routine. The 20-hour rule suggests that focused, purposeful practice over a short period can lead to significant progress. By concentrating on the initial 20 hours, you break the inertia of starting and quickly build a foundation, motivating further learning. Seeking guidance accelerates your learning process. Find mentors or join communities where you can share experiences and gain insights. Support from others provides encouragement, diverse perspectives, and valuable feedback, enhancing your understanding and skill development. Utilizing technology can significantly enhance your learning process. Apps and online courses offer interactive and engaging ways to practice and absorb new skills. These tools often provide personalized feedback, helping you identify areas for improvement and accelerating your progress. Consistency is crucial in mastering any skill. Establishing a regular routine ensures steady progress and helps embed new knowledge. By dedicating specific times for practice, you create a habit that eventually becomes a natural part of your daily life. Mistakes are valuable learning opportunities. Embrace them as part of your journey to mastery. Each error offers insights into areas that need attention, guiding your adjustments and improvements. This approach fosters resilience and a deeper understanding of the skill. Visualization is a powerful technique to reinforce learning. By mentally rehearsing tasks, you strengthen neural pathways associated with the skill. This practice enhances confidence and prepares you for real-life application, bridging the gap between knowledge and execution. Teaching others what you've learned reinforces your understanding. Explaining concepts clarifies your thoughts, exposing any gaps in knowledge. This process not only solidifies your grasp of the skill but also boosts confidence and communication abilities, benefiting both teacher and learner. Tracking your progress is crucial in skill acquisition. It helps you visualize improvements and stay motivated. Consider using journals or apps to record milestones and insights. By monitoring your journey, you can celebrate successes and identify areas needing more focus. Maintaining curiosity keeps the learning process fresh and engaging. Dive into related topics and explore new angles of your skill. This approach not only enriches your understanding but also fuels a passion for continuous growth and learning beyond the basics. Rest is an integral part of learning. Regular breaks prevent burnout and enhance retention. By stepping away, your brain consolidates information, leading to better understanding. Embrace downtime as a necessary component of your learning routine for optimal results. A positive mindset transforms challenges into learning opportunities. Embrace a growth mindset to foster resilience and adaptability. By focusing on possibilities rather than setbacks, you cultivate an environment where learning thrives, paving the way for more effective skill development. Testing yourself regularly is key to gauging your skill level. Self-assessments highlight strengths and reveal areas needing improvement. Use quizzes or practical exercises to challenge your understanding, ensuring you're on track and making tangible progress toward mastery. Adaptability is crucial in learning. By experimenting with various techniques, you discover what works best for you. This flexibility allows you to overcome plateaus and maintain engagement, ensuring continuous progress and a more personalized approach to skill acquisition. Celebrating small victories boosts morale and motivation. By acknowledging achievements, you reinforce positive behavior and create a rewarding learning environment. This practice keeps you focused on your goals, making the journey enjoyable and sustaining your enthusiasm for continued effort. Regular reflection on your learning journey helps consolidate knowledge and identify areas for improvement. This introspection fosters a deeper understanding of the skill and ensures that you remain aligned with your objectives, optimizing your path toward mastery. Constructive feedback is invaluable for growth. By seeking input from peers or mentors, you gain insights that might be overlooked. This external perspective encourages refinement and enhances your learning process, enabling you to make informed adjustments and progress more effectively. Challenges are inevitable, but developing strategies to tackle them is essential. By viewing obstacles as opportunities for growth, you cultivate resilience and problem-solving skills. This mindset transforms difficulties into valuable learning experiences, propelling you closer to achieving your goals. Keeping your motivation high is crucial to mastering any skill. Constantly remind yourself of your initial reasons for embarking on this journey. Whether it's career advancement or personal fulfillment, anchoring to these motivations will help you overcome challenges and stay focused. Applying your skills in real-life scenarios is essential for deeper understanding and retention. Practice in authentic contexts allows you to test your knowledge and adapt to various situations, reinforcing what you've learned and building confidence in your abilities. Revisiting the basics regularly ensures that you maintain a strong foundation. No matter how advanced you become, the core principles remain crucial. This consistent review will help refine your techniques and keep your skills sharp and well-rounded. Reflect on your learning journey often to recognize growth and areas needing improvement. This introspection can reveal patterns in your progress and provide valuable insights into how you learn best, leading to more effective and personalized learning strategies. Take the plunge and embark on your journey of skill acquisition today. Each new skill opens doors to opportunities and personal growth. Embrace the challenge with enthusiasm and curiosity, and let your passion drive you toward mastery and fulfillment. Like, share, subscribe.